Welcome friends, I am Muhammad Tahir Ahmed, your online instructor. So friend, previous video we finished after making all these tags, and in this video friend I will go to my style.css page, and as you know already that I have linked all these style sheets with my index.html, and I will begin to work over style.css. So first of all friend, I will write here at charset space double quotes and semicolon to close, and inside these double quotes I will write UTF/8. Press enter, and here I will write a comment /* and backslash to close, and inside it I will write global content formatting and styles. Control S to save. And now friend, first of all we will stylize our body, and inside first I will give color column #5757C7A, and I have given the text color, this text color, to body. Now I come down and now I define some margin left column subtract min hash 90 pixel minus 90 pixel, and I also give some padding 0, semicolon to close. I also define some line height for it, line height column 1.5 em, and also define the font family column Arial and semicolon to close. And now I define some font size for it, font size 14 pixel. Overflow /x column hidden and semicolon to close. I also give some background color to it, background #7f8c8d and semicolon to close. And now I go to this page, to my Chrome browser, and I refresh this page. So friend, you see that its background color has been changed, and also links color has been changed also. I decrease its zoom so you could watch more accurately. So friends, after stylizing the body, we will stylize our page class, because I show you that after the body I made a div and I gave a class to that div on the name of page, and this page class is covering all the other structure of our website. So I go to style.css, and here I write page, and here I will stylize this page class. First I define it is maximum width, so I define it as maximum width 980 pixel. So I bring it center, so I write here margin 0 auto, position relative. and I also give some background color to it. Background #FFF. It means I have given it the white background color. So friend, now I go to my Chrome browser and refresh this page. All this text should be here, come here. So I refresh. Now you see that this background has been changed to white and it has come right into the middle of this body because I have given the margin 0 auto. So friend, this is the preview of a layout. Friend, in this video, first of all, I have stylized the body and then I have stylized the dot page class, and in next video I will come back and once again begin work over it.